Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Edge Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E1851P. 74,000 miles on this Edge. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, white platinum in color. The Edge is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. You can also fold the rear seats from the back with the push of a button. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, and memory settings for 2 drivers. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large MyFord Touch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats,
search for
Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5 liter V6, 285 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Edge, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.